Hello, my name is Paul and I started working here at Kondex in March of 2017. I started here as a CNC operator, and then after a year of being a CNC operator, I was given the opportunity to become a shift leader in the second shift CNC department. What stood out to me here at Kondex was that I like the fact that everybody that comes to work, whether if you're in the office or on the floor, you come through the same entrance. There's no separate entrance for saying this is office people, only floor people go here. It's one walkway that everybody comes into, and then that was one of the main cultural thing that I was looking for, is you're part of a team that helps grow the company. One of my favorite things here at Kondex is the culture that the company brings, the structure that it's had with just trusting the operators, the workers, myself as a shift leader to just, kind of have my own rhythm and making everything flow with the production, having the trust of the team leaders for me to just kind of, hey, this is what needs to get done. You need to find a way to get it done. They don't stand behind my back or breathing down my neck to do the job that has been asked. I really believe that that's one of the number one things in making a company run right, is trust, and just the culture behind it is amazing to me. If you want to grow, they're going to give you the opportunities. They give you the correct tools. I mean, obviously there's going to take some patience and time on your part that, hey, it doesn't happen overnight. If you just be patient, you work hard, this is a great company that will see your talent. They will see that you are driven to rise above the rest. And if you keep showing them that initiative, that drive, and that you work hard, the trust is not going to go away, and the patience that you have, you're going to reap the rewards later on. You obviously want to make somewhere your home if you're going to go work somewhere, and that was just what I saw that I really liked about Kondex, was that I think that I could have made it my home, and I'm here.